How to turn off always on display on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn off always on display on iPhone. If you want to turn off always on display on your iPhone, it's really simple. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down until you see Display and Brightness, and then tap on it. Inside this menu, you will find an option called Always on Display. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you will see a toggle switch. If the switch is turned on, that means the feature is active. Simply tap the toggle button to turn it off and that's it. Always on display is now disabled. Now, just so you know, always on display is a feature that keeps your lock screen dimly lit while still showing useful information like the time, widgets, and notifications. It's designed to use minimal power, but if you prefer to save even more battery life, turning it off completely is the best option. Once you disable it, your iPhone screen will turn off automatically when not in use, which helps your phone last longer on a single charge. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.